Hey guys, it's me. I'm gonna make a video for you about how to make a bibliography this morning. You like that? I zoomed in. Gonna do some cool stuff. What's up? Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay, we're gonna get started. So, the first thing you're gonna do to make a bibliography is you're gonna go to easybib.com. It's EASYBIB.com. At this website, this is where you give credit to the authors that wrote the articles that you got your research from. So anytime you do research, you have to give credit to the people that provided you with the research, or provided you with your facts, if you will. And so that's why we have to make a bibliography at the end of our project, because we don't want to plagiarize our information. We want to give credit where credit is due. So I go to easybib.com, and you can pause me and go to easybib.com, or you can just keep listening. Then I'm going to click this little guy right here that says, I only want to create a citation. That's all I want. I'm going to click on that. Okay, it takes me to this screen. It's giving me ads for Amazon, which is incredible. I love Amazon. But right here, it says, start making citations the EasyBib way, and there's all these options. I want the first option that says MLA 8. I don't really have a reason for you of why I want you to do that, other than it's the same format you're gonna use in high school and college, so why not start now? MLA 8, and then right here it says website. Think about this. Where did you do most of your research for your Cornell notes? You got it off the internet. You got it from a website. Some of you might have gotten it from a book. So if you had a book, you'll put book. Why doesn't it say book? Oh, book, right there. Okay, but for everyone else, you probably used a website to do your research for your Cornell notes. Okay, so I'm pretending that I did research. I already opened this tab for you on Condoleezza Rice. No, not you. Go away. Why is this not working? No, thank you. Okay, here she is. Condoleezza Rice, fast facts. She's the former U.S. Secretary of State. She's amazing. She's a powerful lady, and I want to do my project over her. So let's say I used facts about her from this website. So in order for me to give credit to CNN, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, Control-C, the web URL right there. I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back to EasyBib, and I'm going to hit Control-V, Control-V, which is Control Paste, put the website link right there, and then hit the word cite. All right, gathering information, booyah. Okay, so it came up with the title. Is that the title of the article? Yes. I'm gonna click cite again. Amazing. Okay, it's article title. It gives me the URL. It says the date that I accessed the article, which was today. The date that it was published. Beautiful. I'm gonna hit continue. Always look for the orange button. Always look for the orange button. And then right here, are there any other authors? I don't think so. I think it was just CNN. I'm gonna double check the website. Doesn't say any authors up here. It just says CNN Library. I'm gonna scroll down. Do I see anything else? Do I see any other authors? Is there anything at the bottom? No. It just has facts about her, and then it goes on to the next thing. So I don't need to fill in any other authors. It's just CNN is the only author they gave us. And I'm gonna hit complete citation. Oh my gosh, my hand is getting tired. Okay, so now I have my first citation, and it looks like this. It's this line right here. I'm going to copy this, Control-C, and then I am going to paste it in a Google Doc, and I'm going to title that Google Doc Bibliography. Right here. Oh my gosh, you guys could literally go through these steps with me just like I'm doing right now. I'm gonna give myself a title. We're gonna put the title in the center. I can't do all this at once, so I'm gonna have to put my phone down for just a second, but bibliography. And maybe I'll highlight that. Sorry, I had to type it so I couldn't hold the phone. Bibliography, da-da, da-da, da-da. That looks nice, size 18. Okay, and then I want this on the side like this, my title in the center like this. Oh, is it not focusing? There we go. Okay, so here's my bibliography, my source 1. And I'm just gonna leave this right here. Then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do source 2 and source 3. As of right now, I'm only having you put on source 1, 2, and 3, and I will give you more instructions when I am back tomorrow. If you have questions about what this should look like, I also wrote the exact same bibliography on the board for you from that website. It's the Condoleezza Rice Fast Facts. The title of the article goes here. It has a period. CNN, this right here is the author, and it should be italicized. Cable News Network, day it was published, and then the URL, okay? Also, I can teach you how to do this space when I get back. Typically, if you hit an enter at the end of the date, and then you hit tab, it will give you that little extra space right here. But don't stress about that today. We can do that together when I get back. So, you are making your bibliography today. You are going to put 3 websites or 3 sources on your bibliography, and I'm sorry that this video got so long, but I know that you loved it and that you're going to do amazing things today. Okay, bye!